Hey guys, today I'm back with these moustache nails for Movember. I think Movember is a great idea for its awareness of men's health issues, considering most men aren't keen on talking about their problems. Also, when I was younger, I'd always get excited about drawing a moustache on my face. So, if you know how I did these, keep watching. So I started off with applying some clear polish to my mat. I used 3 of the little squares. And then for all my nails, I applied this creamy beige colour. And then I used my Moyu London Festive 62 plate. I stamped the zigzag lines in a shimmery brown polish and just stamped them 3 times on my mat. Then going in with a caramel brown, I'm just filling in the opposite of the zigzag, so leaving a space in between. And then once that was dry, I just peeled the decals off the mat with some tweezers. And then because they were still kind of sticky, I just rubbed it into my nails so that they would be flat. And then using an acetone and a clean-up brush, I'm just cleaning away that decal that I don't need anymore. And on my ring finger, I just applied a top coat. Then once that was dry, about 20 minutes, I drew a moustache on with brown acrylic paint. And then I applied a smudge-resistant top coat. And a normal top coat on the moustache nail. And there you go, these Movember moustache nails. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And subscribe good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.